Seems even cute like this. For their new home. Yeah, that's cute. I remember these. Hello? Okay, we're back home. It's so hot out there, y'all. Nasty. Anyway, so we went to Lark Owl. That place is a dream. I could have probably spent the whole day in there. There's just so many like little knickknacks and cute little items. I just want everything. But first thing when I walked in, I saw a shelf of mystery books, which I've been seeing all over the place of people doing. And honestly, like when I go into a bookstore, unless I like know exactly what I'm looking for, it really overwhelms me. So I like how they just had a little description of what it is, what kind of genre, and they do the work for me. But this was $20. Is it pricey? It's a hardcover in here, I can tell. So, our theme was thrilling, moving, fantastical, magical apocalypse. That's a lot of things in one book, and I'm here for it. Let's do it from this side. Not looking. Dead things are closer than they appear. Okay, let's read what the description is. High school is hard enough to survive without an apocalypse to navigate. That's true. That seal magic away from the world. Then someone kills one of the guardians who protects the seal. The earth rips open, unleashing the magic inside. No one can enter or leave, and the man behind it all is roaming the streets with a gang of violent vigilantes. Sid's life becomes a lot less ordinary. I bet so, Sid. Okay, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. Huh?
You filming?
Yeah, girl. What's wrong with you?
These two. She's so cute. I love you, Evie. Snuggle time, relax time.
I do love relaxed time.
You're so special. So cute.